Direct fit gauge kits take the time and guesswork out of installing a new dash in your vehicle. With many makes and models available, direct fit gauge kits easily replace worn, broken, or outdated dashes while maintaining a clean, factory-like appearance. As an easy all-in-one solution, each kit includes the dash panel gauges, a universal wire harness, and sending units for water, oil, and speedometer. AutoMeter direct fit dash panels are made in the USA from durable, thermoformed, UV-protectant ABS material. Panels are available in 2, 5, and 6 gauge configurations that require no cutting, drilling, or modification to the original dash. Kits are available in popular series including American Muscle, Chrono, Cobalt, Ultralight, Sport Comp, Designer Black, and more. Simplify your dash replacement and avoid custom fabrication with the direct fit dash panel gauge kit from AutoMeter.